while using the cyber safety or while using cyber, there are certain common sense which should be taken into consideration. Moving towards the common sense that is used while using internet. Where do you use this common sense rule? During emails. First, don't respond to email from people you don't know. This is the most common type of mechanism through which our private data can be leaked out. The most important thing is our email. So, whenever we receive an email, we should check whether the email that we got is from a valid person or no. If the email that we just received is from an unknown person, it is better not to open that particular mail. Businesses like bank, credit card, eBay and others don't use email to do account information and other personal transaction. That means if we get a message or a mail that they require our data in the form of mails, then these kind of organization, that is bank, credit card, eBays, do not ask for personal details through mails. Never use link, download material and start files from an email you don't know or you were not expecting. If you have opened a mail that is not known to you, and if in the mail a link is there, it's better not to click on that particular link, because there are chances when we click on the link, entire data will be leaked out. Moving ahead, pop-ups. The most common things or the most common sense we have to use is when we are using our pop-up. Suddenly, whenever we are using a computer, certain pop-up comes. That particular pop-up shows us advertisement. Click on this to win an iPhone 11. Click on this to win an iPad or so on. When we click on it, what we are doing, we are just revealing our personal identity, that is our email, everything to the person who has sent us the pop-up. Don't give personal information. If it asks you to give your personal information, don't do it. For an example, if the MP3 player is free, why do they need a credit card number or for you to subscribe to 5 magazine, download or other services to get it? If it is free, they must just deliver it to certain location. I'll pick up the MP3 player or anything that I got as a price from that location. But no, they are demanding our address, our contact number, our information, etc. Next, where to use our common sense? Suppose over here, hit 3 targets to get a free Moto Razr. This is a pop-up which many a times pop-ups while playing or while surfing the net. Next, where to use common sense rule? Which place? Instant messaging. Whenever we are talking with certain person, we should know who we are talking to. Nowadays, social networking sites are grown to such an extent that every now and then we are having social friends with us, but we don't know whom we are talking with. Remember, anything you write can be copied. I just pasted one thing onto the social networking site. Certain other person can copy the data. There is no way back to take back what you say. That means one, I have sent the data to the internet. There is no means of taking the data back. Although I delete, but the traces of the data is still there on the internet. Never put people you meet on the internet on your IM group. What is IM? Instant messaging. We shouldn't be so fast in doing friendship. That means we are just meeting them online and we are connecting them and we are just putting them on instant messaging list such as WhatsApp, Instagram, so on, so that they are able to personally message me anytime, anywhere. There are certain more common sense which we will be looking onto the next slide.